Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix high system storage on Samsung A14. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open device care. Now go to the storage of device care and then clear the app data and cache memory of device care. To clear app data, click on manage and then click on clear data. After that, go back and now open battery and device care and then scroll down and click on software update. Now click on download and install to update your mobile software. And after updating, go back and then open general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm.